Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this series, I will provide a video regarding 10 plus 1 class, and I started my video with first chapter of 10 plus 1 class. Today video I will only discuss what is the basic concept of chemistry, and there are like 2 or 3 questions that came from the general introduction of chemistry. You can check your Pradeep book, then you find out what I am going to tell you. So first, when you check your book, so you note that in very first you get the chemistry definition. So in general introduction you get chemistry definition. So it is definition is like that. It is a branch of science which which deals with the study of atoms, matter, and their properties. So this is only the general definition of chemistry, and you will definitely get 1 mark if it came in your exam. But for getting higher marks, you can write it in a manner. I am only telling you the general basic definition of chemistry. And the branch of science are many, like physics or biology as well. But here in chemistry, we deal with atoms and matter and their properties. Second, the importance and scope of chemistry. So the importance. It is a general introduction of this chapter in this video. Importance of chemistry and scope. So first you need to tell them that what is the importance of chemistry. Importance of chemistry in daily life, you can see that how a milk change into curd. This is also a branch of science that deals with that. And scope, there are a lot of scope in chemistry, like it is used in fertilizer also, pesticide, insecticides, and another use of chemistry in the field of medical line also. By helping of chemistry, a drug is made. Drug name as cisplatin. Sorry, it's not plant, cisplatin. So you don't have to think about more what is cis. You only remember that a drug cisplatin is used for to treat the cancer patient. Okay, and another one is Taxol. So these are the 2 drugs which is used for treat the cancer patient, and it I think it can come in 1 or 2 marks, like in your JEE exams and in your IIT, so you can remember it very well. Next one is how the chemistry deals in the drug section. So there are a lot of things that require chemistry knowledge, like if you are like in the field of chemist, so you have to knowledge about the drug and their composition. So for 11th class student, I suggest that you don't have to go in that depth. You only remember what is important for you today. Okay, and if you are not understanding my way of teaching in English, so you can comment on comment box. I will provide my videos in Hindi as well. Next one is saving the environment. Okay, chemistry is used in saving environment also, and transport and communication, nuclear or atomic energy. So you can remember their 1 to 8 points that is provided in your again per the book, and which is I think very sufficient for you to go through your all syllabus of plus 1 class. Next came to matter, its nature and its classification. Matter. Okay, so what is matter? First, what is matter? Matter, it is a it defined as any particle and anything that occupies space. Anything that occupy space. That means anything in chemistry that needs some space called matter, possess mass, showing mass. Okay, possess mass in the presence of which can be felt by anyone. जिसको हम एक स्पेस है वो ऑक्यूपाई है, ठीक है, किससे, मास से भी, जिसको हम जिसकी प्रेजेंस हम महसूस कर सके उसको बोलते हैं मैटर. लाइक एनीथिंग, लाइक दैट पेन इज मेड ऑफ आई थिंक matter, it called matter because it is made from tiny particles and something that make it solid, so that called matter. Example are like cloths, example cloths, iron, gold. Like these things are made with particles and it possesses some mass, so that's why they called matter. As well as wood, milk and etc. Okay, classification of matter. In this video I will just discuss matter, then I will finish, and in next video I will discuss important topic from chapter first of class plus 1. So classification of matter, physical classification and chemical. Physical, two things, physical and chemical. Okay, in physical you will deal with, it is based on physical state under ordinary condition of temperature and pressure matter, and into the following three types, it divided into three types. Okay, physical classification में what is three types, solids, liquids and gas. So mainly in this chapter we have to read solid, liquid, gas. Okay, I think now it is visible, sorry for inconvenient. Next one is solid, liquid, gas. So how you define solid, liquid, gas? It is visible now. Okay, solid is like that is solid which occupy complete space, there is no like any void, any blank space, I mean to say, this is solid. Liquid is like water, okay, that can be in container, any, that is liquid. Gas is like in bubble form. Okay, so these are the three things that came in physical chemistry classification. Next one is chemical classification. So in chemical classification there are two types. classified as two types. First is homo and next one is heterogeneous. Homo and hetero, this is very important thing that you have to know about what is homo and hetero, because it is used up to your like MSc class, master degree. When you like want to do any master degree, any graduation in like in the field of chemistry, so we always deal with what is homo thing and what is hetero. So just prepare your mind that you will remember how what thing are homo and what thing are hetero. So a material is said to be homogeneous. For homo, a material is said to be homogeneous if it has uniform composition and identical properties throughout. Okay, so uniform composition. Uniform means like there should be no anything difference between anything space. Okay, uniform composition. Hetero is heterogeneous is like a material is said to be heterogeneous if it consists of a number of phases. Okay, in homogeneous it consists of only one phase, while in heterogeneous it consists of different phase. So this called hetero. Different is hetero, homo is same. Only these are the difference between homo. Homo uniform, hetero homo uniform, and hetero is number of phases. And in this only one phase. So this is up to the classification of matter. In next video I will describe that what is element. Okay, and also the important part of this chapter will come in next video. So you can subscribe my channel, and if you like my teaching style you can comment on comment box, and you can ask also about any new topic for chemistry. Thank you so much for watching this video.